Hello and welcome to the QA Underground. The purpose of today's video is to get Selenium up and running using the PyCharm IDE and the Python language. Some of the items we will be covering today will be instantiating a new driver and navigating to google.com. So let's get started with the tutorial. The first thing we're going to want to do is to create a Selenium project within PyCharm. The next thing we're going to want to do is to create a new test. And to do so, we need to create a new Python file and call it test_1. Then we need to import our WebDriver. In the following code example, I will show you how to import the Selenium libraries using the IntelliSense and the project interpreter. Once we have our WebDriver imported, we can now instantiate the driver. To do so, we're going to create a new driver parameter and assign it to our WebDriver. Next, we're going to navigate to our web page by passing the desired web page URL to the driver.get method. Once our test is complete, we now need to close our WebDriver instance. I want to cover a common troubleshooting issue that can occur on Mac OS. When you first download the WebDriver, Mac OS may give you an error stating that you cannot open the driver extension due to being an unverified developer. To fix this, we will go into our System Preferences, Security and Privacy, select the General tab, and allow our driver extension. Once you do this, you will now be allowed to run the driver extension from your tests. And with that, you have now created your first Selenium project with a successful test. I want to thank everyone for joining today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.